Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Off Campus. In this channel, we are going to see in differential equation singular integral type 4. Previously, we have discussed many topics under differential equation, and previously we have discussed and solved many problems in singular integral, the rest of the types 1, 2, 3. Not only in the singular integral topic, other topic in the differential equation also we have solved many problems, many previous year problems, which will be helpful for us to clear competitive exams like GATE, TANCET, TNEB Assistant Engineer and TRB Polytechnic Lecturer exam. So if you haven't seen those videos still, kindly check with the playlist. Okay. Before going into the video, kindly subscribe our channel Off Campus and click on the bell icon. You will receive notifications as in when we upload videos. Okay. Now in this video we are going into the video. In this video we are going to discuss about singular integral type 4. So type 4 singular integral. How can we identify the given equation as type 4? So this is of the form f1 of function of x comma p equal to f2 of y comma q. If it is the given equation is in the form function of p, which means p q y x, okay, function of x p y q, the given equation contains x y p q, then what we need to do, we need to identify the type. If the given equation contains x y p q, we can say it is a type 4, right? So now we have identified the type. Which type? Type 4. Then how to proceed next? Take p and x on one side and q and x on the other side. So in that equation, in that given equation, we have to take p and x on one side and q and x on the other side, q and y on the other side. Then what we need to do? Then equate it to constant, some k, a, b or c, whatever we want to equate it to constant and find the value of p and q. Find the value for p and q. Okay. Then what we need to do now? dz equal to p dx plus q dy. So before we find the value for p and q now. Substitute p value and q value here. Then now integrating those equation, that equation, we can get the solution of that given differential equation. So this is the step to solve the type 4 singular integral type. Type 4 singular integral. This is of the form of function of x comma p equal to f2 function 2 of y comma q. Then which means if the equation contains x y p q, then it is a type 4. Okay. Then what we need to proceed? First step, we need to identify the type. We have identified as type 4, right? Then what we need to do? Take p and x on one side and y and q on another side. Okay. Then equate that to some constant. Okay. Then we know now dz equal to p dx plus q dy. So we know the value for p and q. Substitute this and integrate. We can get the solution. Okay. We'll solve few problems in that so that we can get an idea. Okay. So find the complete integral of p plus q equal to x plus y. What is given? We need to find the complete integral for the given equation. First we need to say it is equation 1. What we need to do? First we need to identify the type. See, it is in the form of p q x y. So it is a type 4, right? This is of the form of function of p and x comma y and q, right? Then what we need to do? P and x on one side and q and y on the other side. So p minus x equal to y minus q. Then we need to equate this to some constant. Okay. Some constant, say it is a. Okay. So we need to equate to some constant a. Then we need to find out the p value and q value from this. P minus x equal to a means what is p? P equal to x plus a, right? So value for p. What is q? Q y minus a. see p minus x equal to a, then find out p. Y minus q equal to a. What is q? Q equal to y minus a, right? Then we find the solution for find the value of p and q. Then what we need to do? Dz equal to p dx plus q dy, right? Then substitute. What we need to do next? Substitute p value and q value. X plus a into dx plus q is nothing but y minus a into dy. Then what is the next step? Integrating on both sides. Integral dz equal to x plus a integration dx plus integration y minus a dy. So see this one, integrating on both sides, what we will get? I am using this pen, so using this paper due to insufficient space on this page, on that page. Okay, integrating on this, integral dz is equal to z x plus a the whole square, which means some x dx is x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So x plus a the whole square divided by 2. Similarly, y minus a the whole square divided by 2. Introduce some constant b, right? This one b, right? Then how can we take LCM? 2z equal to x plus a the whole square plus y minus a the whole square plus some constant b. So this is the solution. So 2z equal to a plus this one, sorry, a plus x the whole square plus y minus a the whole square plus b. So option 2 is the right option for this problem. We'll solve some more problems. We'll see few problems on this. See which one? This one. What is given? P squared plus q squared equal to x plus y. See, p squared plus q squared equal to x plus y. First we need to identify the type. Which type? So if it is having, this is of the form function of p, q and xy, so it is type 4, right? Type 4. Then we need to take p and x on one side and q and, let's say it is a equation 1, p and x on one side and q and y on the other side. So p square minus x equal to y minus q squared. It is equating some constant, say it is a b or a, right? A. So p squared minus x equal to y minus q squared equal to a. So equating p squared minus x equal to, then we need to find the value for p and q, right? Then p squared minus x equal to a. Then what is p squared? A plus x. Then what is p? Square root of a plus x, right? Similarly, y minus q squared equal to a. Then what is q squared? Q squared equal to y minus a, right? Then what is q square root of y minus a? Then what we need to do? We need to now dz equal to p dx plus q dy, right? Then substitute p value and q value, square root of a plus x dx plus square root of y minus a dy. P and q value here. Then what we need to do? We need to integrate on both sides. So integral dz equal to integral square root of a plus x dx plus integral square root of y minus a dy, right? Then what we need to do? So integral dz equal to z square root of x square root of a plus x equal to a plus x whole power half. So this one, a plus x whole power half x plus n plus 1 divided by n plus 1, right? So a plus x power n plus 1. 1 half plus 1 is nothing but 3 by 2. Sorry, 3 by 2 divided by half plus 1. So divided by 3 by 2. This one only. Okay. So by a plus x whole power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2. Similarly, integrating this y minus a whole power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2. So 3 by 2, 3 by 2, we can take 2 by 3. Okay. 2 by 3 into x plus a the whole power 3 by 2 plus 2 by 3 y minus a whole power 3 by 2, introduce some constant b when we integrating, so plus b constant something. So z equal to 2 by 3 x plus a 3 by 2 plus 2 by 3 into y minus a 3 by 2 plus b. See which option? This one, option 1. Z equal to 2 by 3 x plus a into 3 by 2 power plus 2 by 3 into this one. Option 1 is the right option for this problem. We'll move on to the next one, right? This problem, what is given? P square minus x square plus q plus y squared. So p minus x squared equal to q plus y square. See, it is a equation 1. First we need to identify the type. By seeing the equation, it is a function of p, x, q, y. So what is the type? Type number 4, right? Then what we need to do? We need to separate p and x on one side and q and y on the other side. See, in this equation itself, p and x on the one side and q and y on the other side. So what is the next step? We need to equate to some constant. So p squared, p minus x squared equal to q plus y squared equal to some constant a. Then what is the next step? We need to find the value of p and q, right? P minus x squared equal to a. Then what is p? X squared plus a. Similarly, q plus y squared equal to a. Then what is q? A minus y squared, right? Then what we need to do now? Dz equal to integral p dx plus q dy. Sorry, not integral. P dx plus q dy, right? Then substitute p and q value. X squared plus a into dx plus a minus y squared into dy. Now integrating on both sides, what will get? Integral dz equal to integral x squared dx. Separate integrals. Integral a dx plus integral a dy minus integral y squared dy, right? I will check again. X squared dx, a dx, a dy minus y squared. Now integrating. So equation some constant. Okay. Integral dz equal to z only. Then x cube by 3 plus ax plus ay, this term. Then minus y cube by 3 plus b. So x cube by 3 plus ax plus ay minus y cube by 3 plus b. So this is the solution. By comparing the options, which one? Option 3. See, ax plus x cube by 3, this one. Then ay minus y cube by 3 plus here some constant c. Let it be c. Okay, some constant. So option 3 is the right option. We'll move on to next problem. This one, p plus x equal to sin x plus sin y. So what is the given equation? P plus q equal to sin x plus sin y. We need to find out the complete integral for this. So first we need to identify the type. Say it is a equation 1. See, it is the function of p, q, x, y. If it is form of p, q, x, y, so it is a type 4. This is the form of type 4, right? Then what we need to do? Separate p and x on one side and q and y on the other side. So p minus sin x equal to sin y minus q equal to some constant a. Okay. Okay, by seeing option C, cos x, x plus y, 0. Okay. Okay, then p minus sin x equal to a. Then sin y minus q equal to a. Then find out the value for a plus sin x, q equal to sin y minus a. So we found the value of a, p and q. Then dz equal to p dx, p dx plus q dy. Substitute value of p and q, a plus sin x dx plus sin y q in place sin y minus a into dy. Now we need to integrate on both sides. Integral dz equal to integration of a plus sin x dx plus integration of sin y minus a dy. This is the simple integration we will do, right? Integral dz equal to z only, then a dx. Integration of a dx equal to ax plus integration sin x is nothing but minus cos x, right? Again sin y, integration of sin y minus cos y minus a dy minus ay plus some constant c. So this is the answer, cos x. So see, take a outside, common, x minus y in this term, a into x minus y minus cos x minus cos y plus some constant c. So this is the solution. Solution for this, see, z is equal to a into option 4, a into x minus y minus cos x minus cos y, some constant, let it be, it can be any constant. So option 4 is the right option. Then move on to the final problem. So what is given? Square root of p plus square root of q equal to x plus y. Say it is a equation 1. So it is a function of p, q, x, y. So it is which type? Type 4. So then what we need to do? Take p on one side and q on another side. So then square root of p minus x, y minus square root of q equal to a. One side and equate to some constant. Okay, then we know that find the value of p and q. P minus x equal to a, then square root of p equal to x plus a. Then what is p? Squaring on both sides, x plus a the whole square. Similarly, y minus square root of q equal to a. Then y minus a equal to square root of q. Then what is q? Q equal to y minus a the whole square. So this is p and this is q. We find the value of p and q. Now we are going to substitute p and value in that equation. Dz equal to p dx plus q dy. So p equal to x plus a the whole square dx plus y minus a the whole square, this one, q dy. Now integrating on both sides, integral dz equal to x plus a the whole square, integration dx plus integral y minus a the whole square dy, some constant c. Okay, so integral dz equal to z only, x plus a the whole square equal to x plus a the whole cube divided by 3 plus y minus a the whole cube divided by 3 plus c. So this is the solution for this problem. Which one? This one. See, option 1. Z equal to x plus a the whole square by 3, y minus by a the whole cube plus c. So this is the type 4 problems on type 4. Let's end up the video. Okay. Kindly subscribe our channel Off Campus and click on the bell icon. You will receive notifications as in when we upload videos. In our upcoming videos, we will solve rest of the problems in differential equations. Okay, so stay tuned to our channel. Thanks for watching.